Hello, everyone. My name is Paulina Wrubel. I'm from marketing office from Famoc company, and with me there are two colleagues from the pre-sales team, Tomasz Szramke, who will lead you through the features of our new Famoc managed version, and another guy, Michał from pre-sales team, who will answer your questions, which you can send in the questions box over the right side of the control panel. So
hello and welcome. Thank you for the introduction, Paulina. I will start our presentation. Today I will be talking about new features in Famoc 5.7, and I hope to clarify some of the new things that we introduced in the newest version of our solution. So, starting with a quick agenda of today's webinar, what's new in Famoc Manage? We introduced some new options, some new functions and features. So first of all, it's a new role called the preview role. We made some changes in the device details and application details view. Also, a little bit of changes in management of applications and configurations. Company store on the device has also changed a little bit. Contact synchronization, which allows to create a company contact book, is not a new feature, but a feature that went through some serious changes. And also we added some new translation because we are trying to make it as convenient as possible for our customers in different countries. We are trying to add some new translations. So with this version, we added a new language in which users can use Famoc. Starting with the new role, we created a preview role. It is another role that can be assigned to a specific users. In that role, all the accounts, all the users created with that role have only access to see the inventory of the devices, to see, for example, users or applications, but he doesn't have any possibility to make any changes, to configure anything. He has only possibility to watch and just see the details of the device. He can see all the devices in the system, all the users, all the applications that are added. But of course, he cannot make any changes, and what he can do is only to view all the details that are available in the system. We decided to change a little bit the devices view. From now on, when you click on the specific device and you go to the device details, you will see some new tabs, and those tabs are visible here. First of them is applications on device, and this tab allows you to see all the applications that are installed on the device. Also, you of course have an information about the application name, package name, version of the application, but also the status of the application. For example, if it was installed by Famoc, installed not by Famoc, or for example, it is a system application. You also can see the time when the app was created, when it was installed, and last time the application was run. Also, you can see a reputation for the applications that have that feature. you can see the reputation status based on the virus total, and you will see if the app have posed any risk for the user. You will see that in red. If the application is safe, of course, you will see that in green. Clicking on this inverted pyramid, this icon, you will see filters, and you will have a possibility to filter, for example, where the application is installed. If it's installed in the work profile or in the personal part, you will have a possibility to filter the applications listed on that screen. On the compatible applications tab, you will see all the applications that are added to Famoc managed system, which are compatible, which can be installed on the specific device, on the chosen device. You have a possibility to install the app, uninstall the app, or run the app. Also, you can do that in bulk. You can select a couple of applications and then click install, and all those applications that you have selected will be installed on the device that you have chosen. This little icon means that in the upper right corner of the application icon means that that this application is will be installed in the work profile. This means that this application can only be installed in the work profile on the device. You can also click the second tab here, available in store, and once you click that, you will see also all the apps, but they will be divided by the group of users it was assigned to. So you will see all the apps, but they will be filtered based on the group they are assigned to in the corporate store. Going forward, another new thing, you have a possibility from now on to download selected device monitor data. Previously, you had the possibility to download all the data from the devices. From the devices. From now on, there is a possibility to select only some of the data that probably might be interesting for you at the moment. So once you selected device or devices, you can get a device monitor data, select that action from action box, and select all data or partial data. You can select the things that are interesting for you at the moment, then click apply, and it will generate a report with the data that you have selected. We think that it might improve a little bit performance of the system, because if you have selected many devices, getting all data could sometimes take a while. From now on, if you, for example, want to see only the certificates, for example, installed on the devices, you can select that, and it will only gather that data, and it should improve the performance of the system using that action. Another change and another new option that is available for applications, it's the option to automatically install and upgrade application. First of all, you might recognize that the application details view changed a little bit. You have new tabs. For example, this availability tab is something that was added in that version. And here in that section that is marked with a red frame, you see two new options: install automatically and upgrade automatically. Install automatically means that the application will be installed on any device that was that's in the system, regardless of the policy implemented on the device. Previously, you had to add specific application as the policy component to make sure that this application will be installed on the device. From now on, once you've selected install automatically, this application will be installed on any device regardless of the policy. And the same with the upgrade automatically option. Once you've selected that, this application will be automatically upgraded once there is a new version of the app, or any changes are made to the app in the Famoc system. This application will be automatically upgraded on every device. There is also a new tab in the applications view, logs tab. In that section, you can see all the actions with that application. For example, if it was installed, uninstalled, run on the device. Also, you can see when the action was created, the target of the action, device or work profile. There's also, of course, a status. Red means that the action was performed successfully. Green means that it was performed successfully. Red means that there was something wrong, there was an error. Of course, the last status, phone user, phone number, email number, and phone description. There's also a possibility to download that logs in a CSV format, for example, and also you can adjust and adjust this table, change the columns that you want to be visible here using the customize button. Another new tab, another change in application details view is target devices. Target devices means that you can see here all the devices where that specific app is installed. And here you will see user login, model, IMEI number, device description, target, where the app is installed, device or work profile, application version, create date, and last time the application was run. You can, of course, use a search field to search by user or model of the device, and it will find if you can, for example, find if the app is installed on the device that you are looking for. And the last change is a configurations tab. This section was basically moved from place to place. Previously, it was in the main details view. Now it is a separate sub tab, and here you can configure apps and choose the configuration method. For some apps, there are Android managed configurations, which you might know, which are available from some time in Famoc already. You can also configure using a custom file, custom configuration, and also for iOS apps, you can use custom configurations in a form of XML file uploaded to the system. And once you have used that configuration, anytime the app is installed on the device, it will be installed with the settings that you have chosen in that configuration. So this is a possibility to make sure that on all the devices the app is installed with the same settings. The same option is available for configurations. When you create or edit a configuration in the advanced section, you have a possibility, first of all, to select install only in work profile. This is something new, but this is, I think that this is clear. It means that this configuration could be installed only in work profile. And also in the corporate store section, you have the same options: install automatically, upgrade automatically. It means that this configuration will be installed on any device, regardless of the policy, regardless of the policy settings, policy components. It will be installed on any device, as well as upgrade automatically. It means that once any changes are made to the configuration, it will be upgraded, and that settings will be applied for any device that the configuration is installed on. We also changed a little bit corporate store view on the device. Once you open the base agent on the device and go to a corporate store, you will and select the specific category of the apps. You will see the list of the apps. Of course, this arrow icon means that this app is available for download. Checkbox checkmark means that the application is already installed on the device. This little icon means that the app is set to be installed in the work profile. There is also a possibility that some apps will be seen in two versions, which means that one of the version is set to be installed in the work profile, and another without this icon is set to be installed in the personal part of the device. Another new feature, which is actually not new, but we changed it and then adjusted some of the settings here, is a contact synchronization, which means that you can create a contact database for all the devices in the company. You can select synchronization type, which means that you can select which contacts will be collected to this company contact book. You can select no contacts, only from the user groups, or contacts from all groups. You can also set a synchronization interval. Basically, by default, it's set to off, but you can set to make a synchronization daily, weekly, or monthly, and it will be automatically synchronized in the period of time that you have selected. You can also add synchronization from additional groups. You can click select, choose a group, and then the contacts from the users from that group will also be synchronized to that contact book of the device of the company. And the last thing, we added a Spanish version of Famoc because we have some customers in Spain. For some time, we decided to let them use Famoc in their mother's tongue. So that's why we translated Famoc into Spanish. If you have any, for example, contacts, partners in Spain, you can tell them that from now on, Famoc is available in their language. So we hope that it will be more convenient for our customers from Spain to use Famoc from now on. Also, we added device support. Those devices that are listed here, OnePlus 3, Oppo Find X, and two new Samsung Galaxy devices are fully supported by Famoc. So this is the last thing. I hope that everything is clear for you. If you have any questions, if anything comes to your minds later, please feel free to ask. Here you can see my email. You can email my personal email or presales@famoc.com. In case you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. This webinar will be also uploaded to YouTube, so you will have a possibility to watch that again and see if everything is clear. Also share with your colleagues, co-workers. So I hope that everything was clear. I hope that you gained some knowledge about the new features in the Famoc, and I hope you have a good day. And see you soon again with the new version Famoc 5.8. I hope that I will see you again in the next webinar. And now it's everything from me. Thank you very much for your attention once again, and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.